So we are here to do a little unboxing of my glitter lamps order. Now, full disclosure, I have already opened this because I already filmed this, but I'm filming it again because my background looked like crap. So here we are filming this twice. So here we go. We open up the box and we can see all of our glitters. These usually come double bagged and the jars come with a bag as well. Just one of these little plastic bags. So yeah, so be aware that when these come, they will come double bagged so that there's no spillage. So 2 of the little glitter jars came with these little charms. They are super cute. We've got a little RIP, like pastel tombstone, and we've got a cute little bat. So we'll start with these. So it turns out I accidentally bought 2 of this color. This one is My Unicorn is Scared of Leprechauns. Super pretty green, iridescent, metallic something. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. This is a yellow iridescent. My Unicorn has a lemonade stand. This is a pink iridescent. My Unicorn baked me cupcakes. Here's a blue iridescent. My Unicorn threw me a pool party. Another pink iridescent. My Unicorn licked my cotton candy. A white iridescent. The reindeer shaved Santa's beard in his sleep. This is a red, sort of metallic, holographic-ish color. And this one's Heat Miser. This is a black holographic. It's called Graveyard Shift. It's got a bunch of different shapes in there. This one's black and white. This is more of like a matte one. Bat Ashes and Ghost Remains. This is another matte color, matte pink. Soft chewing gum. And this one is another matte, more of like a matte purple. Kangaroo Clubhouse. This one's a bunch of little skeleton heads and some Jack Skellington. King of Halloween Town. This one's got little Oogie Boogies, some bats, some dice. Gamblin' Boogeyman. This one's got strawberries and little heart sprinkles, and this one's called Chocolate Covered Strawberries. These jars are from her hidden collection, so these are password protected. You can only get them by joining her Facebook group. These ones are definitely my favorite. So we've got Spookiest Bat on the Block. Soot Sprites. Here Lies the Vampire Princess. Baby Ghost painted the pumpkins pink. And finally, Jack's Cotton Candy Christmas. Now in total, I got 20 glitters. Plus 2 charms. And I paid a total of $87 for all of it. I ordered it on Saturday. She printed the label and shipped it on Sunday, and I received it on Wednesday. That is shipping from Arkansas to California, and that was coming USPS, so I got it this morning in the mail at around 10 o'clock. I have ordered in the past where I ordered it on a weekday and she shipped it the same day, and I got it like 2 or 3 days later. So she's got insanely fast shipping, and I cannot recommend Glitter Lamps enough. They are amazing and just the nicest person in the world. So hope you enjoyed my little unboxing, and I can't wait to show you what I make with them. Bye!